name is Gary, and I'm a rising high school senior in San Diego, California. I'm the founder of Printable, a company that specializes in 3D printed electronic gadgets. Our latest product was successfully funded on Kickstarter with 151 backers. As someone who's been running a 3D printing business for the past 3 years, I became aware of just how unsustainable 3D printing is, which is why last year I started the Aquaments project in an effort to 3D print using ocean plastics. As seen earlier, we have now successfully converted recycled red polystyrene cups into 3D printing filaments, which is then used to 3D print this ring right here. The next step for our project is to experiment with more ocean plastic and set up an e-commerce site to make our recycled filaments available to the 3D printing community. In addition, we've already decided that we'll be donating 100% of our future profit towards the ocean cleanup effort and 3D printing education. However, in order to take that next step, we need your support. Your funding will allow us to build the 2 additional machines we need to mass produce our filaments. Thank you for your consideration.